Welcome back to Quiz Butterfly. Today's challenge is extra special with 4 mystery boxes waiting for you. Whopping 30 options. You'll have just 4 seconds to pick your prize. First choice, how will you design your house? What's calling you today? Red, gold, purple, or pink? Which living room do you dream of? No wrong answers here, buddies, just fun surprises. Would you avoid the unlucky one? How do you want your bathroom to look like? Don't skip. Your lucky gift is waiting for you. Which shoes fit your aesthetic? Remember, every choice counts. Which side are you choosing? Bold move. Let's reveal what's behind it. Will you go for the safe choice or take a big risk? Which laptop is calling you? I bet the luxury red car is calling you. It's time to choose your bike. No wrong answers here, buddies, just fun surprises. School isn't boring, right? Is there anyone here who loves headphones? Which clothes do you think are cool? Be careful. One is a trap. Are you team red, golden, purple, or pink? Which bag would you take to the fantasy school? Which jacket will suit you better? It all depends on your luck. Which box do you think has the most sparkle? Make up your mind now. Let's guess together. Choose pink. Which one is cozier? Will your luck hold up? Choose your scent perfume. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have fun!